Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about BenQ X3100i and X500i for the gaming projector. So friend, both engineered to support a remarkable 240 Hz refresh rate, and the X3100i is a top tier model in this setup and boasts a immersive 3300A and SI lumens of brightness and provides full DCI P3 color gamut coverage. This high-end projector ensure exceptional image quality even in well-lit environments such as living room. Beyond its luminance, it offers a versatile gaming experience with dedicated modes for FPS, RPG, sports, and newly introduced racing mode. And these modes are engineered to optimize video and audio setting based on the characteristics of various game genres, and it features a vertical lens shift function enhancing installation flexibility, and it is priced at 2,159 USD dollar. And friend, on the other hand, comes with 1,679 USD dollar price. The X500i short through model delivers 2200 ANSI lumens of brightness, enabling it to project expansive 100 each images from a mere 1.5 meter distance, and this projector caters to a wide range of gaming preference, offering a large screen gaming experience. And the X500i also places emphasis on audio quality, ensuring powerful and localized sound, particularly well suited for FPS gaming. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon